Okay, this is the Macho Mike, and it's evening. We just had dinner at the Mexican restaurant. Actually, there's lots of Mexican restaurants here at Old Town. So this is the Catholic Church of the Old Town of San Diego, and this is Old Town in San Diego. Lots of shops and Mexican restaurants. Okay, there.
Well, no, sa Ensenada hindi. Dito kayo sa Tijuana.
And this is Old Town San Diego State Historic Park.
From here, mga 70 miles pa. Oh,
That
kasi
is
tourist spot eh. Tourist spot na alaga. Diba sa atin, di ba? Pag tourist spot na alaga. Kasi income yan eh. Hindi, Boracay.
Yeah. And there's my stupid friend Bentley, and there's our classmate Vladimir. There. Here in Old Town in San Diego. And of course, you have to see me here. The Macho Mike in Old Town, San Diego, walking. Okay, signing out.